Peace be upon you, my friend.
Same you. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am well by the grace of Almighty Allah. What about you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, but I am little bit mentally disturbed.
But why are you mentally disturbed?
I haven't done well in English in the exam. Last few days I have been trying to speak English, but I can't show my speech.
What is your problem?
I'm not good at English, and I wasn't interested in English.
I see that's the reason.
What should I do right now for improving my English?
First of all, you should learn some basic words with an example. Then you should watching cartoon and English movie. I think it would be better for you.
Is anything else would be better for me?
If you want to improve your speaking level, you have to take a partner. Then you should also learn basic knowledge about grammar. Then you should practice real life conversation. And I also like to add information, that is you should taken a speaking course.
As far as I know, there are so many institutes in Feni. Which one would be better for me?
I think Moon IT would be better for you, and I also doing my speaking class here.
Thank you so much for your kind information. I'm in hurry. See you later.